Hello students, welcome to Ant's classes. Let's do expansions, chapter 4, exercise 4a. Exercise 4a, page 62, we are with question 4. If x plus y is equal to 7 by 2 and xy is 5 by 2, find the first one. We have to find x minus y. Now what we're given is x plus y and xy. Now from that we need to find x minus y. So what we're going to do is we're going to write this down first. X plus y is equal to 7 by 2. So let's do that. So that will be x plus y is equal to 7 by 2. Now we are going to square both sides. So we're going to square this side and this side. So we're going to square the left hand side as well as the right hand side. Now what are we going to do? We are going to use the identity a plus b the whole square. A plus b the whole square will be a square plus b square plus 2ab. So let's write that. So what does this mean? X square is a square plus b square, which is y square, plus 2ab. 2 into x into y. This is 2ab. And we're going to square the other side also. So 7 square, 7 sevens are 49 and 2 2s are 4. So simplifying this further, here we have x square plus y square plus 2 into, now x into y is xy, isn't it? So 2 into xy, which is equal to 49 by 4. Now here let's continue. So this is x square plus y square plus, now 2 into xy is also given to us in the question. We are told xy is 5 by 2. So that is 2 into 5 by 2. We have substituted for xy. So now we have 49 by 4. Again we'll continue. Here we have x square plus y square plus, now inside the brackets we have 2 into 5 by 2. Since it's multiplication we can cancel the 2's. So cancel this 2 and this 2. We just have 5. So plus 5 is equal to 49 by 4. Now let's find the value of only x square plus y square. So for that we're going to write only x square plus y square here. That is x square plus y square. And on the other side we have 49 by 4. And we're transposing this 5 from here to the other side. So when we transpose it to the other side it becomes minus 5. So now we need to simplify this. 49 by 4 minus 5. So here we continue to write this. So this is x square plus y square. Now let's simplify 49 by 4. So 49 by 4 minus 5. So here this, the denominator will be 1. It's subtraction. So this becomes 4, the denominator. So 49. Because 4 ones are 4. So we multiply 49 also by 1. Now here we have to multiply by 4. So we multiply 5 also by 4. So minus 5 fours are 20. So this is 29 by 4. Let's write it here. So 29 by 4. So we have found x square plus y square to be 29 by 4. So now that we have x square plus y square equals 29 by 4, we're going to go back to this question here, x minus y. So let's take that. So x minus y. Now let's square this. So when we square this, this is in the form of a minus b the whole square, which is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So a square is x square plus b square, which is y square, plus, now since it's minus here, minus 2ab, 2 into x into y. So this will be x square plus y square minus 2xy. And x square plus y square we just found out here to be 29 by 4. So we can write that here. So instead of x square by y square, we can substitute it and write 29 by 4. So that is 29 by 4 minus 2 into xy, and xy is already given in the question as 5 by 2. So 2 into 5 by 2. So this, let's work it out. So this is 29 by 4 minus, now here we can cancel 2 and 2. So when we cancel this, since it's multiplication, We can cancel it, so we just have 5 left. So this is 5 by 1. Since it's subtraction, we can work it out. Now find the LCM. LCM is 4. Now here it is 29 because here we have 4 into 1. So 29 into 1. Now here 1 into 4 is 4. So 5 into 4 is 20. So minus 20. So now we can say x minus y, the whole square, is equal to, now 29 minus 20 is 9. 9 by 4. Now we have to find only x minus y, isn't it? So that means the square root of 9 by 4. Now x minus y is equal to square root of 9 is 3 and the square root of 4 is 2. So what is our answer? Our answer here is 3 by 2. Now since it is the square root, now the square root of 9 can be plus or minus 3. Plus, and 4 can be plus or minus 4. So we say plus or minus 3 by 2. So this is our answer. The x minus y is equal to plus or minus 3 by 2. Now the second part of the question is we have to find x square minus y square. Now this is in the form of a square minus b square. And how do we do this? A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. This is the expansion. So we're going to apply that here also. So let's write this down. So this is x square minus y square. So this is a plus b to a minus b, that is x plus y into x minus y. Now all we have to do is substitute because we know the values of x plus y and x minus y. X plus y is given to us in the question. X plus y is equal to 7 by 2. So we can say 7 by 2 into, now we found out the value of x minus y in the previous question, that is plus or minus 3 by 2. So now we just have to multiply the numerators and the denominators because there's nothing to cancel. So here when you multiply 7 into 3, you get 21. 7 3s are 21, and in the denominator we have 2 into 2, which is 4. 21 by 4, and we can say plus or minus 21 by 4 is the answer to the question x square minus y square. So this is our answer. Question 5, if a minus b is equal to 0.9 and ab is equal to 0.36, find the first one, a plus b. So let's take a minus b. So a minus b is equal to 0.9. Now let's square both sides. So we're going to square both sides. So here when we square this, a minus b the whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. And here 0.9 into 0.9, that is 9 9s are 81 and 2 decimal places, so we get 0.81. So this is 0.81. Now when we continue this becomes a square plus b square minus 2 into, now ab is given to us in the question. In the question it says ab is equal to 0.36. So into 0.36. And this is equal to 0.81. So let's simplify it further. So this is a square plus b square minus, now here we have to multiply 2 into 0.36. So 36 into 2 we know is 72. Now here there are 2 decimal places. So here also there should be 2 decimal places. That means this is going to be 0.72. So let's write that here. So b minus 0.72 is equal to 0.81. So now to find a square plus b square, we say 0.81. Now here this is minus 0.72. So when it goes to the other side, it becomes plus 0.72. So let's find the value of a square plus b square. So a square plus b square is equal to, let's add it up, 0.81 plus 0.72. So that is 1 plus 2 is 3, 8 plus 7 is 15, carry 1. So this is 1.53. So this is equal to 1.53. So now we have found the value of a square plus b square, and that is 1.53. Now let's find the value of a plus b. So that is a plus b. Now let's square up. A plus b the whole square will be a square plus b square plus 2ab. So now a square plus b square, we know the value is 1.53. So here we can substitute and write 1.53. So that is 1.53 plus 2ab, that is 2 into ab is 0.36. So we have this 0.36 here. So this is 1.53 plus, now we did this multiplication, 0.36 into 2, we have done it here also. So that is 0.72 plus 0.72. How much is that? 1.53 plus 0.72. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. Carry 1, 2. 2.25. So a plus b, the whole square, is equal to 2.25. Now we want to know only a plus b, isn't it? So a plus b will be the square root of 2.25. Now what is the square root of 2.25? Now this is a decimal number. I hope all of you remember how to find the square root of decimal numbers. Now, so let's find the square root of 2.25. So let's do it here. Now 2.25. Now to find the square root, now this is the decimal number. So this part is called the integral part and this is the decimal part. The integral part, we always group it from right to left, whereas the decimal part is from left to right. So this way we go and this is this way. So we move this way and this way. We put them in groups of 2. Now let's begin with 2. Now take a number that is 1. When I multiply it by 1, I get 1 itself. Then here 2 minus 1 is 1 and then I bring down the next pair as it is, that is 25. And here I have to double this, that is multiply this quotient by 2. So 1 into 2 is 2. So I have 2 here. Now I need to put a number, a digit next to 2 and multiply with the same digit to get either this number or a number close to this. So I need to put a digit next to this. So here I can put 5 because when I multiply 25 now by 5, I will get 125. Now here above this, now here we need to put a decimal point. We carry this point up. So this point comes up and now we're going to multiply by 5. That is 25 into 5 is 125. So now we've got our square root here. The quotient 1.5 is the square root. So we say a plus b is equal to 1.5. If you multiply 1.5 into 1.5, you will get 2.25. So this is our answer. We have found a plus b and that is 1.5. Question 2, here we have to find a square minus b square. So let's write that. So a square minus b square, we can apply the identity a plus b into a minus b. Now here we just have to substitute. Here we have a plus b, which we just found out in the previous question to be 1.5 into a minus b, and that is there in the question already. A minus b is 0.9. So we can write 0.9 here. So this is 0.9. Now multiply these two. 15 into 9. 15 into 9. 9 5s are 45. Carry 4. 9 1s are 9 plus 4 is 13. So 135. And then we go back and see this one decimal place here. One more. So 2 decimal places. So our answer also should have 2 decimal places. So that is 1.35. So here we have 1.35. Here also we can say plus or minus 1.35 and that is a square minus b square. So this is our answer. Question 6. If a minus b is equal to 4 and a plus b is equal to 6, find the first one, a square plus b square. Now let's take what we've been given. We've been given a minus b is equal to 4. Let's take only a minus b and square it. So a minus b, the whole square, we know the expansion. This is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Minus 2ab because it is a minus b the whole square. So this is minus 2ab. Similarly, let's take this part that's given to us, a plus b is equal to 6. Let's take only a plus b. So a plus b and let's square it up. We know this identity. So this is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now let's take this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. Now we have two equations. We're going to add up both the equations. That is, what does this mean? It means if I add up a minus b the whole square plus a plus b the whole square, what will I get? I need to add up this expansion plus this expansion. So that will be a square plus b square minus 2ab plus a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now this is plus, isn't it? That's why I have not put the brackets. Now if we have brackets, it will be this and this. So we just have to remove the brackets. When we remove the brackets, since it's plus, nothing here changes. It remains the same. So we don't have to put the brackets. Straight away you can write the addition. Now let's continue the equation here. So this is a minus b the whole square plus a plus b the whole square. Now let's look at this. So here we have a square plus a square, making that 2a square. Then we have b square plus b square, that is also 2b square. Then we have minus 2ab plus 2ab. Since the signs are opposite, it gets cancelled. It's equal to 0. So it's only 2a square plus 2b square. So this is, now according to the equation here, a minus b the whole square is plus a plus b the whole square is equal to, now since 2 is common, we can get 2 out and put the remaining within brackets. 2 into a square plus b square. Now why did we do this? Because we need to get a square plus b square, which we have here. Now I'm going to take only a square plus b square and put the rest as it is. So I'm going to bring it to the left hand side. So on the left hand side I have a square plus b square. On the right hand side I have a minus b the whole square plus a plus b the whole square, and this 2 which I have along with a square plus b square, I did not put it here. I'm taking it to the other side. So now it comes down as the denominator by 2. Now what are we going to do? So we're going to write this, that is, this is what we need to find out, isn't it? A square plus b square is equal to. Now we are going to substitute a minus b. The value is given to us, a minus b is 4. So we're going to substitute for a minus b and write 4, and that is 4 square plus. And we have a plus b given to us in the question as 6. Again substitute. So that will be 6 square. And in the denominator we have 2. So now let's simplify this. So a square plus b square is equal to 4 square, 4 fours are 16 plus 6 square, 6 6 are 36 by 2. So what does that mean? It means a square plus b square is equal to 16 plus 36 is 52. 52 divided by 2. So now we can find the value of a square plus b square by dividing 52 by 2, and that is 26. So this is our answer, 26. Now the second part of the question is we have to find AB. Now just like we did in the previous one, let's look at a minus b and write the expansion for it, for the square of it. So a minus b, the whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. And same way, let's take a plus b also. A plus b the whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this is equation 1. So, and this second one is equation 2. Now this time, since we have to find AB, we're going to subtract these two equations. Now we're going to subtract equation 1 from equation 2. That means equation 2 comes first. So let's do that. So that means a plus b, the whole square, comes first, minus a minus b, the whole square. So we write this statement first. This expression we write first, and that is a square plus b square plus 2ab minus, now let's put this within brackets. Now write the first equation, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So this is the equation. Let's simplify this equation now. So here we have a plus b the whole square minus, here we have a minus b the whole square. Now let's look at this. Let's remove the bracket here. Let's remove the brackets. Remember, there's a minus sign. So when you remove the brackets, the signs of all the terms inside will change. So this is a square plus b square plus 2ab. This remains the same. Now all signs inside will change. So minus a square minus b square plus 4, 2, that is 2 plus 2ab. Now let's simplify this further. So we have a plus b the whole square minus a minus b the whole square. Now let's look at this. We have a square here minus a square. So the opposite signs will get cancelled. Plus b square minus b square. This also will get cancelled. So what is left is plus 2ab. Again we have plus 2ab. So 2 plus 2 is 4, making it 4ab. So we need only AB, isn't it? So let's bring that term this side to the left hand side. 4AB is equal to A plus B the whole square minus A minus B the whole square. Now since we need only AB, we'll take the 4 to the other side. So A plus B the whole square minus A minus B the whole square. 4 will come to the denominator divided by 4. Now let's find the value of AB. AB is equal to, now A plus B, let's go back to the question. We have our question given here, the value for A plus B, and that is 6. So 6 square minus A minus B is given to us. A minus B is 4. So that is 4 square divided by 4. So when we simplify it further, we get AB is equal to 6 square is 36 minus 4 square. 4 fours are 16 divided by 4. 36 minus 16 is 20. 20 divided by 4, and that is 5. So we have found the value of AB. AB is equal to 5. This is our answer. Question 7. If a plus 1 by a is equal to 6 and a is not equal to 0, find the first one, a minus 1 by a. Now let's take what is given to us in the question. So we've been given a plus 1 by a is equal to 6. Now let's square both sides. So a plus 1 by a, let's square this side and the right hand side, which is 6 square. So in this equation, we're going to square this up. Now we know the expansion for a plus b the whole square. So this is in that form, a plus b the whole square. So that will be a square plus b square, which is 1 square by a square. So 1 by a the whole square, or it's like this, plus 2ab, that is 2 into a into b is 1 by a. So this is 2ab. And on the right hand side, 6 square is 36. So let's simplify this. So this is a square plus 1 by a square plus, now here what do we have? 2 into a into 1 by a. I can cancel this a and this a. So now I have only 2 into 1, which is 2, and that is equal to 36. Now a square plus 1 by a square, I just need only this, so I'm going to move 2 to the other side. So this becomes 36 minus 2. So a square plus 1 by a square is equal to 36 minus 2 is 34. So let this be our first equation. That is a square plus 1 by a square is equal to 34. Now let's go back to the question. We're asked to find a minus 1 by a. So let's write that. So a minus 1 by a. Let's square this. So when we square this, what is the expansion? So this is in the form of a minus b the whole square. The expansion is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So let's use that here. So a square plus b square. B is 1 by a. So 1 by a square is 1 square by a square minus 2ab. 2 into a into b is 1 by a. So here what do we have? We have a minus 1 by a, the whole square, is equal to a square plus 1 by a square minus, now here what do we have? We have 2 into a into 1 by a, cancel the two a's there, cancel this a and this a, just 2 into 1 is simply 2. So here let's write 2. Then a minus 1 by a, the whole square, is equal to, now here we have a square plus 1 by a square. Now from equation 1, let's take the 34. Why are we taking 34? Because a square plus 1 by a square is 34. We're going to substitute it here. So this is 34 minus 2. So a minus 1 by a, the whole square, is 34 minus 2, which is 32. Now we need to find only a minus 1 by a. A minus 1 by a, that means we need to get the square root of 32. We know 32 is not a perfect square, so let's find the prime factors of 32. So 32 by 2, 2 into 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, and 2 1s are 2. So let's write that down. So here a minus 1 by a is equal to, let's write all the prime factors of 32. There are 5 2's, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Since the square root, we're going to pair them up and take one from each. From here we can take 1, 2. From here we can take 1, 2. So that is 2 into 2. But this root 2 doesn't have a pair, so that will remain within the root. So this will be a minus 1 by a is equal to 2 2's are 4, 4 root 2, because this 2 remains inside, it doesn't have a pair. Now this is plus or minus. So a minus 1 by a, we have found the answer to be plus or minus 4 root 2. Question 2 here is we need to find a square minus 1 by a square. Now we know the formula for a square minus 1 by a square if we take this as a square minus b square. A square minus b square, let's write that identity. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So if we take this as a square minus b square, we can write out this expansion. So let's write that expansion. So that is a plus b into a minus b, and a is a, b will be 1 by a. So a plus b into a minus b. That is a minus 1 by a. So we can write this as a square minus 1 by a square is equal to, now a plus 1 by a is already given to us here as 6. So we can write that there. So that is 6 into, and we just found out a minus 1 by a, and that is plus or minus 4 root 2. Plus or minus 4 root 2. Now we just have to multiply. So when we multiply a square minus 1 by a square, now how do we multiply this? We can multiply 6 into 4. 6 into 4 makes it 24, and the rest is root 2. So remember to put plus or minus 24 root 2. So we have found the answer. A square minus 1 by a square is equal to plus or minus 24 root 2.